Alright, parents. If you've seen those cute color-changing wellies from Little Lion's shop popping up on your feed lately, you're definitely not alone. But the big question is Little Lion's shop actually legit in 2026, or are they just another online headache waiting to happen? Here's what I found out. First things first, yes, Little Lion's Shop Ltd is a registered, legitimate business based in the UK. They mostly sell children's outdoor gear. Think wellies, puddle suits, and other gear that lets kids be kids, rain or shine. And honestly, their grass and air wellies are a hot ticket, especially when they're sold out everywhere else. But let's keep it real. 2026 reviews are a bit of a mixed bag. On the plus side, I keep seeing people mention that the customer service team is on it. Ask a question on their socials? Boom, you get an answer fast. That's a huge relief when you're trying to buy for growing kids. Now, here's where things get tricky. Some shoppers love their new gear, but others say certain items feel a little, well, cheap for what they paid. And while shipping is usually quick, just a couple days, others have waited up to 10 days, especially around busy times. Not exactly ideal when your toddler's outgrown last year's boots overnight. Here's the most important tip before you click buy. There are scam sites out there using the Little Lion's name, offering deals that are way too good to be true. High-end strollers for under $50, that's a red flag. Always double-check that you're on littlelionsshop.co.uk, not some sketchy copycat. And don't get mixed up with Little Lions Literature or Lions Rugby Shop, totally different businesses. Bottom line, Little Lion's Shop is real, but do your homework, check reviews, and always make sure you're shopping on the correct site.